thunderstorm warning for my county.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Spalding County in west central Georgia, southern Rockdale, in northern Rockdale County, gusty winds in Georgia, eastern Fayette County in north central Georgia, and similar Bliss County in central Georgia, central Clayton County in north central Georgia. 15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. 722 storms were located along the line extending from Fayetteville to Woolsey to near Digby, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, McDonough, Fayetteville, Conyers, Covington, Jackson, Jonesboro, Stockbridge, Riverdale, Hampton, Marl, Lovejoy, Locust Grove, Oxford, Porterdale, Flavilla, Jenkinsburg, Woolsey, Sunnyside, and East Griffin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us at NWS Atlanta.